My body is allowed to be both a work in progress and a masterpiece, and I need pieces that move with every curve, which is why I love the scope line from Prana. From low impact to high impact, I'm getting sleek, smoothing compression with a moisture wicking fabric that's standing up to even the highest impact workouts. Okay, with curves like these, my activewear better hold on tight. I move my body because I love it and because I want to, and whether I'm moving it in the gym or out and about, the Prana Scope collection moves with me. I'm gonna serve a look wherever I go, and that includes my hot girl walks and running errands. These new basics from Yitty were a must grab. We've got the smoothing and shaping of shapewear, the comfort and style of loungewear, and the support of activewear. This off-the-shoulder sweater, I'm in love. Flattering, supportive, and trendy, baby, you know it could only be Yitty. So don't be the only person not wearing Yitty this fall. Girl, gym intimidation is so real. I get it, especially when you don't have any representation from anybody that looks like you. But you said this year you were getting in the gym, so come on, bestie, it's leg day. We're starting off with 10 minutes on the Stairmaster to warm those muscles up. Also, getting results is more about what you do every day, so I like to alternate between walking and going to the gym every other day. That way I'm always moving my body. For all of my girlies who feel clueless about hip thrusts, this is how you're gonna ease into it. Get a heavy resistance band and sit on a surface that puts your knees at 90 degrees. Put your bra strap on the edge of that surface, keep tension on the band by spreading your knees apart, and thrust. Oh, trust, it burns. Next, we're gonna set up a superset with deadlifts and jump squats. A superset just means that instead of a break between exercises, you're doing another exercise. I'm doing 10 jump squats with a 15-pound weight that immediately is gonna go into a squat pulse. I promise you're gonna feel that burn and you don't have to go overboard to feel it. Then straight into deadlifts, 3 sets of 12. And I'm really focused on pushing those hips back, engaging my glutes, and keeping my spine neutral. And we're finishing off with a leg press, 115 pounds, 3 sets of 12. My personal method is to really focus on maximizing each individual motion over doing a bunch of them, and I promise you still feel it. And I'm sure I get a bunch of trolls saying I didn't do enough, but honestly, your daily habits matter so much more, and I've lost 35 pounds so far, and I didn't have to hate myself into doing it. Love you, bye. It's the time of the year those hot girl walks start feeling a little too hot. You know it's time to start prioritizing hydration. And to get the ultimate hydration, I had to partner with Liquid IV, because Liquid IV hydrates better than water alone. And I've been loving sugar-free Liquid IV because it helps me stay on track, so it's a permanent part of my pre-walk ritual. Along with all my other walk essentials, I've got to keep a few sugar-free Liquid IVs close by. And can I just say that Dallas is such an underrated city? I love walking through downtown Dallas and exploring my city because the views truly are top tier. But no matter how you choose to move your body, just make sure you're hydrating with sugar-free Liquid IV and use my code to save 20% when you do. I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. Just because you're a homebody doesn't mean you have to look like it. We got Yitty, baby, and they just expanded their loungewear collection. They released new colors in my favorite fold-over pants. I talked about these before. They actually stay down over my butt, so I'm obsessed with them. And this blue is super cute. I usually do not opt for things like this, but Beauties truly gets curvy bodies, so this actually fits me perfectly. Not too short, nice and comfy. It's giving elevated housewife. And there's now onesies. And a little birdie told me that if you sign up for VIP, you get like a crazy discount. Hey, ain't nobody checking for the holy sweatpants. You better get you some Yitty and upgrade. Love you, bye.